Today, I'm going to show you how to create a viral Apple-style text animation in Adobe After Effects. So let's get started. First, click on the Type tool and type your text. Then align the text to the center so it sits perfectly in place. Now select your text layer and open it up. Go to Animate and choose Position. Increase the y-axis value to around 50. Next, click Add and choose Opacity. Set the opacity value to 0. Open the Range selector and go to Advanced Settings. Change based on to words. And set the shape to ramp up. After that, change ease high to 50 and ease low to 100. Now go to Offset and add a keyframe at the beginning. Set the offset value to -100. Move forward to around 2 seconds and change the offset value to 100. This will animate the text smoothly, word by word. Next, select both keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease. To make the animation even smoother, open the Graph Editor and adjust the curves for a cleaner Apple-style motion. Now duplicate your text layer. Open the duplicated layer, click Add, and choose Blur. Increase the blur amount slightly on the bottom layer. This creates a soft glowing transition effect that looks clean and premium. Finally, enable motion blur. With a few timing adjustments, you can create a smooth and professional Apple-style text animation directly inside Adobe After Effects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Adobe After Effects tutorials